everybody, Roland Smith here with Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance. Got you with me out here in the shine shed. First of all, if you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the notification bell to be notified of my uploads and my live streaming. And if you like this kind of video, hey, give it a thumbs up. But today I'm going to be talking to you about the stitch awl. A-W-L. Awl. Just found out today, people know it as a Speedy stitcher, but I know it as the awl. That's all I ever knew it by. Nevertheless, let's dive into this multi-purpose tool. Totally disassembled. You got the butt cap, you've got the bobbin, you've got the stitch awl body. Comes with a threaded cap and 2 needles. Let's put this thing together and I'll show you how it works. Now let's dive headlong into this multi-purpose tool. Anything you could imagine to be repaired or stitched, this right here will get it done. From your hiking boots, your snake chaps, your belt, your pack, your tent, even to the saddle that you ride in. This will get it done. Now it depends on where you get your stitch awl or your Speedy stitcher, what company manufactures this tool will determine the quality of tool that you have. Mine's made in America. Enough said about that. Unscrew the end cap. You'll find 2 needles hidden away. There's a crooked needle and a straight needle. Butt cap, that conceals your bobbin. Now this came preloaded with extra waxed twine. I hardly ever reload this bobbin for the simple fact is this stitch awl hardly ever leaves my shop. So I use it straight from factory wind. Nice and neat. Now, your thread will go up through this hole right here that's in the bottom where your bobbin is seated. Now everything is in line. Everything but the tensioner. And what you want to do is you want to go counterclockwise around that tensioner. Like so. Feed it down through the end. Now, there's a groove on the very end of your stitch awl. Right there it is. You want to thread your needle. Time to thread your needle. Might have to get my glasses on. I don't know. May have to, may not. I'd say I will. Can't see. No. Got it. There's a groove in that needle. You want to make sure that that needle is in line with all of your other grooves. Just like so. Just like so. Just like so. As close as you can get it. Now thread the end cap. I'm going to quickly show you how to make a lock and stitch. Here's the crucial part. Do not pinch or bind that thread. And there you go. Just pull off real easy. There you go. Now it determines on the job that you are doing, like the Kodiak canvas stove jack, I had to have a lot of tag end out here. Got a small job, you may not need that much, but that will determine the job that you're doing will determine how much you need out here. You've got plenty out here. Out here's where it matters. Now, got an old scrap piece of leather. What you have to do is the first punch through, and that is some thick leather, trust me. Pull that tag in through. Of Go ahead and pull it through. Let it hang. I'll try to make it as straight as possible. Now, if you want uniformity in your stitches, the best thing to do is take a little small leather punch and go up through there, mark everything, and punch it with a leather punch. That will make it uniform. Doing it this way, not so much. Keep that out there. Scoot over, depending on how wide you want your stitch, and make you another punch through the leather. Okay, here's the important part. As I begin to pull that back, that will form a loop at the end of that needle. All you want to do is take that tag end, slip it through that loop, and pull it. Pull it back through. That locks that stitch. Scoot over. Like I said, however wide that you want your stitch to be, and I'm not looking for uniformity, I'm looking for demonstration. Form another loop. Take that tag in that you left on the other side. Run it through that loop and pull it. That's your lock and stitch right there. Hoping the camera's picking it up. That's some thick leather right there. And note, a little bit off, but that's all right. You loop, feed it through, and pull it. That forms, crooked as could be, but that forms your lock and stitch. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off just a little bit, and I'm going to go back through like so. And I'm going to cut that. Give me just a little bit more. I'm going to cut that right there. Like so. I got both of them tag ends on the outside. That is the end of the way. Tie it off. I'm telling you, it won't go nowhere. Take your little lighter and heat that up. That'll be alright. That forms your lock and stitch. That's how you use a stitch off. Put everything back in its place and put it up. Appreciate you for watching. I hope this has helped you some. I hope it has. That's how you use a stitch out or a Speedy stitcher. I keep it put up and put away in my shop, and I do my repairs on downtime. Keeps everything nice and neat and out of the way. There you go. Hello, Smith Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance. Appreciate everything that you do for me, my family, for my channel, for sticking it out with me. As always, go farther, stay longer. I'll catch you either here, out there in the wood shop, or up on the mountain. I'll catch you somewhere. Thanks for watching.